Flashley. You're most welcome to MX Breakz right here on MX24 TV. There's a lot to uncover, so let's get straight into our stories for today. Now we're starting with the President of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, and he has revoked the appointment of Gideon Aryeequaye as Acting Executive Secretary of the Creative Arts Agency. The decision announced by the Presidency brings an end to Aryeequaye's tenure at the agency, where he had been tasked with overseeing initiatives within creative arts sector. Although no official reason was provided for the revocation, the move has sparked discussions within the cultural and entertainment industry as stakeholders await further updates on new leadership for the agency.